Hello students, today we will discuss torque on an electric dipole. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance constitute an electric dipole. Let an electric dipole with dipole moment P is placed in uniform electric field E such that the direction of dipole moment makes an angle theta with the direction of uniform electric field E. The point charge minus Q experiences an electrostatic force of attraction in a direction opposite to the applied electric field E, while the point charge plus Q experiences an electrostatic force of repulsion in the direction of applied electric field E. Since the two forces are equal and opposite with different lines of action, hence they constitute a torque. The magnitude of this torque is equal to one of the force and perpendicular distance between the line of action of the two forces. The torque will align the electric dipole in the direction of uniform electric field, which is the most stable position. Hence, in the present case, the torque is given by force F multiplied by perpendicular distance between lines of action of force. Since the separation between the two opposite point charges is A, hence the perpendicular distance between the lines of action of two opposite forces is A sin theta, where theta is the angle which the direction of electric dipole makes with the direction of uniform electric field. Hence the torque experienced by the electric dipole is given by tau equal to Fa sin theta. Or we can write torque equal to A sin theta into F, which can be further written as A sin theta QE. As E is the electric field intensity, which is the force experienced by a unit coulomb charge. So if we multiply it with the Q coulomb with electric field intensity, we will get the force experienced by Q coulomb point charge. So it can be further written as AQE sin theta. AQ is electric dipole moment, so it becomes PE sin theta. So torque becomes P cross E. Hence the torque experienced by an electric dipole is the cross product of electric dipole moment vector and applied uniform electric field vector. So the torque experienced by an electric dipole is a vector quantity whose direction is perpendicular to the plane containing the electric dipole moment P and the uniform applied electric field E. That is, it is perpendicular to the plane of paper.